My friends, it's Coach Vigue. Welcome to this beautiful morning routine in the canopy of this lovely, lovely fall tree. Are you ready? It's all body weight, great for everyone. Energy, strength, flexibility, mobility, you name it. We're gonna do it. Click that like button, that thumbs up button, and let's begin in child's pose. Wait, I gotta tuck in my shirt real quick. Doing this workout on my new Coach Vigue yoga mats. Stretch it back. Let's see if it survives this beautiful, beautiful class. Let's take it back and forth. Inhale forward, exhale back, tuck the toes if you like. We're gonna energize the whole body, get you ready for the best day ever. Inhale, exhale, elbows in. Elbows, is that how we say it? That's right. Good, get those crunchies out. I like to call them that. Little blocks along the spine muscles, little imbalances that happen. Perhaps your spine is cavitating, it's going back into its spot. Inhale, exhale. Now come to hands and knees position. Hands are on the shoulders, elbows in. Inhale, round up into cat. So tuck the chin, really stretch out that spine. Articulate top to bottom, sway the hips side to side, an added bonus. Energize the hips, the glutes. I want that energy. Give me that energy. And then drop the stomach down into cow. Drop the shoulders, elbows in. Here we are. Move a little bit if you like. That dastardly cow pose. Good. Fingers and toes are loose. Oh my goodness. So good. Get the mind and body connected. Again, round up into cat. Sway those hips. Lots of breath. Always moving, always breathing. Building an adaptable body, ready for anything, right? And then cow. Drop it down. Shoulders back, elbows in. Ooh. Move however you wish. Draw circles if you want. You want to get that curve in the lower back. A lot of standing and sitting obliterates that beautiful natural curve. All right, relax. Take the left arm up and thread the needle back and forth at your own speed. Stretching the middle back. One more time, each side. Reach and thread. Oh, that's good stuff. Big Papa Smurf. And reach, high, and thread. So nice. All right, downward facing dog. We're gonna dance. Down dog dance. Take one foot back, stretch your own speed. Inhale, rock it forward, round, and then press back. Remember, modify as needed, always use control. Elongate the spine, stretch the calves, the hamstring. These are so many of the moves I gravitate towards now in my 50th year of life. I want length, I want expansion, I want great fluid movement and mobility more than anything in my routines. Okay, and stretch. Let's do it one more time, each side. All that spinal work, spinal articulation. Now to downward facing dog. Take the right leg up for just a moment, bring it forward. We have lunge. Come on up, find the balance, find the focus. Hi there, there you are. Shoulders back, little shoulder rolls here, stretch that back leg. Oh. So much of it's just postural realignment. Keeping it open on the top here, letting the breath flow. Let your love flow. Arms up, reach tall. And let's twist this lunge. Hands together, draw it back. As you exhale, stretch. As you inhale, lengthen that front leg. Oh, everything gelling together. A lot of rotation always. Gotta rotate. Whoa, one more time. Whoa, look at that. And we bring it through, hands down, step back, take the left foot forward. We have a lunge. Oh, sorry. Shoulder rolls. That back leg's gonna feel tight. Mine is right now. Been doing a lot of different things lately. A lot of yard work. Always fine. Let me move forward here. There we go. A lot of my clients mention that as one of the number one things they do that causes tension in the body, tightness, all that kind of stuff. Arms up, and let's twist it in the prayer twist. Sorry, I'm standing on something lumpy here. Now I'm off. And we pull and then stretch. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 2 more times. Love that twist. Love that joker. Pull it back, pull it back. Hands down, stepping back to the down dog squat. And then round forward, a mighty ripple. Articulate the spine. Drop the hips down. Cobra all the way down, or bring it up here into up dog. Elbows in. If you like, you can curl the legs. Draw the shoulders back. Huge stretch for your quads and hip flexor. Opening up your abdominals, your posture. Strengthening the arms and the shoulders. One more time, each leg. Kick, kick, lower, down, fingers out. Why not scorpions? Back and forth. I adore this move. I recommend it daily. All levels, any sport, great for anyone who wants to increase their lower back function and their sides. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. All right, bring it up. Let me tuck in my shirt. Wide lunge. Come to down dog first. Then we bring this foot out to the edge. So we have a wide, if you want, you could press your elbow into it or your hand, opening the hip. So we have a little twist going here and opening this hip. Learn to use your body. It's yours. 24/7, you got it. You're stuck with it. Learn to use it. As the years go by, accredit it. Add more credits to it. Learn more about it. Take the first, second, third, fourth level courses. Now let's slide this leg under pigeon. Oh my goodness. Just pop that right in there. Hands to the edges of the mat and rock it. What's that? You want to have a little more fun with this? More fun? All right, bring the leg across, hold here or lift up. You can come down and open. Different options. I like to just do this so I can look at this gorgeous tree. Stay gold, tree. Oh, one more time. Okay, bring it through. We come to down dog. Left foot forward to the edge, wide lunge. Press as you wish. Add the movement. We got this. Another one does the lunge right here. Space. Remember my 90s grunge group I was in? It was called Space in the Groin. You want space in the groin. Like our number one hit. What was that called? I forget. Open, open, open. All right, pigeon time. Cross. Hands forward. Smother that pigeon. Massage it. A lot of great hip and lower back stuff always in these flows that I do with you. The sun's peeking out. I love being under trees in the fall that are losing their leaves. They just cascade down. Makes me so happy. All right, leg across, hold or lift up. We have this. Add the twist if you like, 5 times. There's a leaf on my Coach Vigue mat. 2 more. Dun, dun, dun. There's someone behind me. Are they back there? And reach up. All right, hands down. Bring it back. Down dog. Bend the knees. Trying to avoid the lead. And ripple, ripple. all the way down, up dog or cobra. Stretch it out. Bend both the legs if you like. Rock it. Whew. How you feeling? Feeling good? Think of someone who would greatly benefit from this routine. Share it with them. That's how we get it out there. It's here. Do it anywhere, anytime. All right, down. Take it back. Left foot forward. We'll finish off little warrior work here. So we have our feet planted on the ground. Pivot that back foot. Bend the front leg. Reverse warrior. Whoop. Reverse drunk yoga master. That's my next movie I'll be in. Up and back, up and back. All right. Forearm down or fingers on the ground. Extend. Move the legs like so if you like. There's always this opportunity to stretch, especially the IT band on the outside of the leg. If you can relieve that, keep it nice and mobile, my goodness, you will youthen how you move so much. All right, back to reverse arm forward if you like. There's that shirt tuck. It says it right there, tuck in your shirt. So I have to listen to the mat. Obey the mat. All right, cactus arms open. And let's recreate that warrior on the other side. So come down, step back. When you're ready, right foot forward. Reverse. Look at those leaves. Beautiful. Lots of breath. Smells of fall. A million memories stacked on top of each other. All right, forearm here or fingers down. Move that pose if you like. What am I doing? Oh yes, returning to reverse warrior. Oh, that's good. Stretch the side. Let's do one more ripple, and then the best day ever awaits, my friends. Don't miss the last one. Stay right here. Ripple, ripple. Whew. Pliable spine, pliable back. Open it up. And then back we go. Wonderful work, my friends. If this helped, click that like button, click that thumbs up button, send it out to everyone, subscribe, click the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. Try with me anywhere, anytime. Coach Vigue. That's Vogue, but with an I. Always find me under some tree in Tennessee. In the middle of fall, you'll see. Dr. Seuss, I may be. My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below. Try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.